Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unfollow an account on the Instagram app using your PC, following the latest update. If your feed is too crowded or you simply want to curate what you see, unfollowing accounts is quick and easy. Let's dive in step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Instagram website. Log into your account with your username and password if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram home screen, you'll see the familiar layout, similar to the mobile app but perfectly optimized for your computer. Now it's time to find the account you want to unfollow. You can do this in two ways. The first option is to use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type the username of the account you want to unfollow and select their profile from the search results. Alternatively, you can click on your own profile picture at the top right corner, then select Following to bring up the complete list of accounts you currently follow. Scroll through or use the search feature within this list to locate the exact profile. Once you're on the profile page of the account you want to unfollow, look for the Following button. This is usually positioned at the top of their profile beside their username and the message button. Click on the Following button. A prompt or pop-up will immediately appear, asking you to confirm your choice. Select Unfollow to finish the process. Right away, the Following button will change to a grayed-out Follow button, indicating you are no longer following that account. That's all it takes. Just a few simple steps to clean up your Instagram feed and make sure you only see content that truly interests you. There's no notifications sent to the user, so you can manage your following list privately and effortlessly. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tutorials.